Hey everyone, and welcome to It's Time to Excel, where we inspire and we ignite the possibilities that are absolutely around us. It's that time of year. It truly is. It is that time of year. What time of year is it? It's year end. It's almost here. We are in month 11 of 12 months. Yeah, we're almost there. So we're going to take an opportunity today, and I want to welcome you and ask if you'd like to join us for our virtual lunch and learn, which is going to be happening here in the next few minutes. We're going to jump on over to Zoom, and we're going to talk about some financial reporting. So before we get there, I just want to take a couple of moments and just kind of touch base. What are some of those financial reports? Because it's really important that you not only do them and create them, but you actually go ahead and take a look at them. They actually talk to you. It's really, really cool. Your financial reports will actually talk to you if you listen. So what do I mean by that? What are some of the key financial reports you got to come up with? One, of course, is a profit and loss. You need to know if you're profitable or not so profitable, because without profits, you can't scale. Without profits, you probably won't have a business a whole lot longer, or at least long term anyway. So what does profit and loss mean? It just simply means the income coming in minus the expenses going out. Which one's bigger, income or expenses? If income's higher, you got a profit. If expenses are higher, you had a loss. So, and that's going to happen throughout. You're going to have ups and downs, and it's going to be spiking some, dropping some, but overall, let's look at the whole year. Where are we at in month 11 here? And then you're going to be able to take a look at that information over the past 12 months, say 11 months, whatever it is this year in 2021. And you can start to build your goals out and where you're going and the direction you're going into 2022. That's one of the biggest things. And certain key numbers, we can look at percentages and ratios. Oh my goodness, the list goes on and on. That's why we're doing a lunch and learn. And we're going to dive into that. So I look forward to seeing a few of you over there as well. And of course, what's some of the other reports? A balance sheet for us entrepreneurs here. That's what most of our pay's at. It's in the equity of the business. And that's on the balance sheet. The balance just tells you how strong is your business. It's cumulative over time. How's it doing? Is it stronger? How's it doing? Overall health of your business is what your balance is. It's your assets. It's your liabilities. What do you owe? What do you own? And what's the difference? And of course, the one that ties those together is your cash flow statement, because cash is king. And it takes the parts that are cash related in the balance sheet, cash related in the profit and loss, and it gets you into one little report. When you can start managing your cash, you can manage your business effectively, because you know what's going on, and you can make course corrections to correct whatever you need, because you know. All of that falls into my last thing, because I always talk about it, is my 4-letter word, my budget. And yes, I can spell, but it's just a plan. It is 4 letters. It's a plan. And that's what I want to encourage you. And that's what we're going to kind of briefly talk about today. We're going to do a little training on that. And I am just so excited to have you join us, because don't forget, mark your calendars. The second Wednesday of every month is our virtual lunch and learn. And of course, in December, we're going to talk about year-end checklists. So I'm going to have my year-end boot camp, where we're going to take a look at things that you need to be wrapping up for the end of the year. What do you need to get ready to go, so that tax time, you pretty much run a couple of reports and hand them to your accountant, because you've done the work up front. And that's what we're going to go through. So I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you next month as well. Tune in every Wednesday here at 11:30, where we have different variations on what's going on. Sometimes I have guests. Sometimes you're just stuck with me. But looking forward to it. I hope that you are having an absolutely wonderful day. And make sure, business owners, make sure you're doing this work. You are tracking your income, you're tracking your expenses, so that you can create the reports that you need to actually make good business decisions. And what are those reports again? Your profit and loss, your balance sheet, and your cash flow. 3 key financial reports that need to be part of your quote unquote everyday business as we're going. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, pop on over here and join us. And I look forward to seeing you at our virtual lunch and learn. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.